Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Shopify to N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on Add First Step. Now, search for Shopify and click on it. You'll see available triggers and actions. Now, click on Create a Product to proceed. Next, click on Select Credential and choose Create New Credentials. Here, enter your Shopify shop subdomain. For example, if your store URL is mystore.myshopify.com, then the subdomain is mystore, and your access token from your Shopify admin. Once done, click on Save. Now, go back and select the resource like Order, Product, or Custom API Call. Then, choose the operations such as Create, Delete, Get, or Get Many depending on your use case. Now, enter the title of the product or item you want to create or manage. Then, click on Add Field and select additional fields from the list. You can also add item fields and image fields such as uploading a product image URL or alt text. Once everything is filled in, click on the play button to execute the workflow and test the Shopify integration. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.